in today's episode, I will discuss about the development of AI agents using large language model framework. So our goal is to demonstrate the potential of LLMs as the foundation for AI agents' cognitive abilities as well as their cutting-edge applications and human interactions. So I will also discuss the multi-dimensional approach to evaluate the efficacy of LLM-based agents. So artificial intelligence is basically a field that aims to create systems capable of mimicking human-like intelligence and abilities. So the idea of intelligence being has been around for a long time, and researcher has been working hard to create agents or intelligent entities that can do things on their own, react to situations, and be social. So as early as 18th century, one philosopher Denis also introduced the concept something like this also. Like he said, if the parrot could answer every question, it could be considered intelligent. Although Mr. Davis was referring to living being, but his notion highlight the concept that intelligent organism could resemble from human intelligence. So these LLM-based agents can sense what's going on around them, making decisions and act. They are very good at understanding and using language, which make them useful in many situations. For example, LLM-based agents can help you cook meal in the kitchen, make music at a concert, or plan and build things. So these agents can work with humans to do many different tasks. So the framework for LLM-based agents has been divided into three parts. First one is brain, perceptual module, and action module. So like a computer model, the brain stores vital information and does essential tasks. The perception module helps the agent to understand what's happening around it using different senses. So finally, the action module helps the agent to respond with the environmental changes and shape its surroundings. So the development of AI agents has gone through different stages, which shows the improvement in artificial intelligence. So at first, agents used logical rules and symbols to think like humans, but they could ever been better with complex situations. Later, reactive agents were introduced. They interacted quickly with their surroundings, but could not make complex decisions. Then reinforcement learning was introduced, which allow agents to learn and adapt independently. However, it took them a little time to learn, and they could ever mean more efficient in complex situations. Then transfer learning and concept of meta learning was introduced to solve these problems. But they made learning more efficient and help agents to work on different tasks. But the latest trend is to use large language models to create AI agents. These models are basically pre-trained models on large data and can reason and plan well. They can also communicate in natural language, which makes them useful in different areas such as software development and scientific research. So now let's discuss about the suitability of LLMs as the core of AI agents bring. So LLM has critical abilities that AI program need, like working independently, learning from its environment, taking the initiatives, and communicating with others. A critical ability for AI program to work independently without always needing someone to tell it what to do. So LLMs are good at this because they can write, talk like humans, and do things without humans told step by step. So they can change what they do depending on what's happening around them, which shows they can think for themselves. So another important ability is to learn from the environment and react quickly to changes. So LLM has been better at here also. So by learning from pictures, sounds and words, it can be very adaptive. So even though it can be hard for them to turn their thoughts and actions, they can still make decisions like humans. So third important ability is to take the initiative and planning. So LLMs are good at this because they can predict what might happen and develop new ideas to solve problems. So by asking them to think step by step, we can help them plan and adapt to changing situations. Finally, AI programs need to be able to work with others. So LLMs are good at here as well because they can understand and use human language. They can also work with other AI programs to achieve goals together. So when we put many LLMs together, they can create new and exciting way of working together that we ever not expect. So now let's discuss about some LLM-based AI agents applications. So first one is a personal AI assistant with one agent. So you may ever heard about personal assistant which can understand what you want and help you with tasks. So these assistants can be created with single LLM-based agents, which can perform many functions like organizing schedules, finding information and writing. So this can help you get more done and be more effective. Second one is teamwork with multiple agents. So when working together, many agents can achieve even more than one agent alone. So they can solve problems and complete tasks more effectively. So like a team of experts who can work together without getting tired. Third one is collaboration between humans and AI. So agents can learn from humans and help them work more efficiently. Humans can also learn from the agents, which can inspire new ideas. So this collaboration can help people focus on more creative and strategic work. So there is also need to focus on the interactive engagement between human and engagement. So for this, basically there are two ways in which human and computer assistant can work together. The first way is called the instructor-executor paradigm. So in this, human tell the computer assistant what to do and the assistant follow the instruction. So this method is useful when we want to achieve a specific goal and need a computer assistant to help us achieve it. The second way is called the equal partnership paradigm. So in this, human and computer assistant work together as friends. The computer assistant is designed to talk and work with humans in a natural and friendly way. They can work together and build a good relationship between humans and computer assistant. So in the future also, computer assistant can understand and respond to human emotions, which further increase their interactions. So till now we discussed about the applications, framework, their way of working, but there are several challenges and possibilities also need to discuss to access LLM based agents. So first one is we need to focus on utility, means measuring effectiveness. So LLM based agents serve as advanced assistant capable of completing tasks with high independence. So this success rate in completing tasks measure their effectiveness, whether they do it themselves or assist humans. So we need to systematically evaluate their capabilities, focusing on task outcomes and fundamental skills such as reasoning, planning and decision making. So second one is sociability, which means the art of interactions. So the sociability of LLM agents play a very important role in enhancing the experience of the user. This includes their proficiency in language communication, which include understand nuances and generating context appropriate responses. Additionally, an agent's ability to cooperate and negotiate in structured and unstructured scenario, which requires seamless coordination and trustworthiness also. Third one is value, which means upholding ethical standards. So as AI agents become more sophisticated, it is essential to ensure that they embody harmless and ethical principles. This involves they must adhere to the moral guidelines that reflect social values such as honesty, non-discrimination and harmlessness. So such evaluation helps us to ensure that LLM-based agents contribute positivity to society, avoiding bias and fostering a culture of trust and safety. So last one is we have to focus on evolving abilities, means the capacity for growth. The most challenging aspect of evaluation lies in measuring an agent's ability to evolve and adapt over time. So continuous learning, autotelic learning and adaptability are some critical facets of this dimension, which enables agents to acquire new skills and achieve autonomous goals and apply their knowledge in novel environments. So assessing these capabilities require innovative approaches from stimulating survival scenario to testing adaptability across diverse contexts.